Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Caitlin and I'm a SNAP educator with our Buy, Eat, Live Better program. Now, one of my favorite things about our Buy, Eat, Live Better program is that we focus on making eating healthy simple. And so through our classes and our recipes and our Facebook's lives like these, and also we try to make some non-complicated delicious dishes while stretching dollars. So today we are going to explore making our recipe Zesty Bean Dip, or what I like to refer to as the protein party dip with my youth classes. This is a super simple, fast recipe. All you need are at least 2 ingredients, and luckily they're pantry staples. You're just gonna need a can of refried beans and some salsa. If you're feeling crazy or you notice in your house you also have some onions, you're welcome to cut some of those up, and cilantro for the top and some mixing. So we're gonna get started. You're going to wanna open your can of beans. This could be a great learning experience if you have any young kids in the kitchen wanting to help. Going to put the beans in the bowl. I really like beans in a dip because it helps give us some fiber, helps us feel full. All right, we've got our beans. Next step is our ½ cup salsa. I'm going to measure it, but you could really eyeball this and figure out if you like your dip a little bit more thick or more creamy. And then you're gonna mix it up pretty well. If you have a heating element, this is pretty tasty, just heating it up for a few minutes, but if not, and you don't wanna heat up your kitchen, it's totally great without it. I'm mixing our salsa and our beans together. Oh, and I'm gonna add my onions. Okay, we've mixed up our bean dip, or our protein party dip. And I forgot. We're gonna put that on our plate. The recipe says about 1/3 cup for a serving, so that's a pretty good amount. Like that. A fun, family-friendly activity, if you also have young chefs, is ripping up the cilantro. So you can just instruct your kids, hey, rip off all the leaves and the stems, they're all edible, into small, tiny pieces. And that might be something fun to do that's not too messy. So we're gonna rip up our little cilantro pieces. You can also use a knife, like I did previously. And then you can put it on top like a fancy garnish if you wanna pretend to be chefs. So maybe I'll put a little bit. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to use it. And there you go, you've got your beautiful cilantro bean dip. I've also added some carrots for a vegetable group, and a few, you could do baked tortilla chips or some whole grain crackers, or in my case, I just had a tortilla I cut up into small cute pieces. And there you go. So let's see how we did. Nutrition, we've got 3 food groups. We've got a protein. Again, we're talking about how it'll help us feel full with the beans and the fiber. We've got our carrots, vegetables, tortillas. We've got grains. Inexpensive, the dip, $1/4 a cost to make, so that's nice. Super fast, we did that in 4 minutes. And family friendly, you can kind of give it everyone to help. And you can get creative and come up with a fancy name if you want to. And let me know, because I'm always interested in hearing some fun recipe names. So this week, I challenge you to make this at home and see how it goes. And if not, you can also explore our website at buyeatlivebetter.org. We've got a whole bunch of fun, simple recipes on there that focus on nutrition, eating healthy. If you want to sign up for a live, or most of them are online right now, but an online class with educators like me, you can go to our website and sign up for a class. You can learn some more tips and tricks on how to eat healthy on a budget, and maybe even watch some more fun recipes. And there you go. Thank you all for joining me today. Enjoy. I'm going to go enjoy this zesty bean dip. Thanks.